Here's how you can set a Samsung Note to be locked. All right, so you can add a PIN and lock your Samsung Notes, and this can be done for just about any Samsung phone out there. And just make sure you are signed into your Samsung account. You will need to be signed into your Samsung account to lock it with a password. So let's just say you finish typing up a Samsung Note, you have something saved there, whether it's images or some art or whatever. You will go to that Samsung Note, you're gonna long press it. And when you do this, you will see the option to lock it. Once you tap on lock, you will be prompted to sign into your Samsung account to verify it's you, all right? So you have to go ahead and sign in and make sure you have your Samsung account ready or your password ready. So I'll go ahead now and tap on that. I'll show you now. When I tap here, you're gonna be prompted to put in your password for your Samsung account. Of course, I'm not gonna show you that. So now once you put in your password for your Samsung account, you'll be taken to the part where you will have to create a password to lock your notes. Now this is completely different from your lock screen or any other lock system you have on your Samsung phone, okay? So you have to create something completely different. So for me, just for demonstration purposes, I'll just go with 1, 2, 3, 4, just to give you an idea of how it works, okay? Then once you have that all set in, you will press continue. And of course, you have to enter it a second time just to confirm it. And now your note is locked. You'll see that your note is locked. And every Samsung Note that you have locked will always have that view and that icon right there, meaning that it is locked, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to tap on the Samsung Note to unlock it. And every time you do that here, you will have to put in your password to unlock it, okay? And you'll press done, and that's gonna take you into that Samsung Note. Now, if you, let's just say in the future, you want to remove the lock of your Samsung Note, here's what you're gonna do now. You'll long press it, and you're gonna see the unlock option here. And when you tap on unlock, it's going to require you to put in your password. Once again, the same password for that Samsung Note lock, and then you'll press done, and it's gonna remove it for you. So if this guide helped you, like and sub.